This is the freight elevator at the Fairfax Apartments in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And take a look at this. This is an old gated elevator with a 2-speed outside door and a gate on the inside. But sadly, the buttons have been replaced with EPCO SSL. Hand-operated doors and gates. However, still remain intact though. Place my foot there so it won't close. Very squeaky gate, really heavy. This door slams really hard, so I'm gonna make sure it doesn't. Go down to the basement. Westinghouse did the EPCO SSL slap-on mod. That's interesting. Here's the basement. That's where I put the chain that hold the door open. Up to 9. I'll have to let it time out. There was an electrical outlet in the elevator. That's interesting. And that's for the to put the chain for the prop the door open. Here we go. Fire service was added later, probably during the EPCO mod. Yeah, this is interesting. It was originally, I don't know what this was originally, but it was, but sadly the buttons were replaced by Westinghouse with EPCO SSL. Probably in the 80s. The main passenger elevators here are Eastern with GAL Jet Plus fan resistant. Here at 9. Back down to 1. We're gonna have to let it time out. Arrows don't work. Westinghouse, up, down, a 10 control and steam button. Here we go. Fire service. Chain instructions. Certificate is in the management office. Case fire nice elevators. Look at that. Pretty basic freight elevator. 2 fluorescent bulbs. Fluorescent light fixture. Don't know what that was. I don't know what this was before the EPCO mod, unfortunately. This is not a bad elevator. Serves its purpose as a freight elevator. Here are your EPCO buttons. Shame that had to be slapped on. But whatever, here at 1.